Well, welcome back. Shout out to my girl, Kel.
Go, Carol.
Kel, naso. She just dropped that one. She just dropped them. And for some time, for those of you now, we know say she been there with us for a year for some time, and she don't go outside now, say making her music pin, and she won't go do now. And you know, after a while, all right. You know, most of us don't wait. We don't, and some other 1 or 2 tracks where she still drop, you know. But right now, she don't come out now. How many years? Like 4, 5 or so. How many years? Don't say now. You know, but I'm happy Kel is out there right now. So ladies and gentlemen, open your ears. No worry, You're gonna hear more from the girl. Kel, just put on for ear, just in case. But I know everybody feel remember. Wow, all right. You understand me? All right, ladies and gentlemen, right now, I get with me I worry for social media. I worry. People want to even form remixing of this particular line, you know. But I don't want to reveal the cat out of the whole thing.
Oh, shit.
He get one introduction where he always introduce himself. Based on that introduction, I will go play based on the introduction because I don't want to go cast. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, make we see the introduction of the correct guy who will get in the building as my guest. Let's see it.
I go by the name Charles Okocha, aka Jigaman, aka with Tupac, aka Prince Obak, aka J-Boy, aka it is what it is, aka you know how it is, aka your money is my money, aka your bank account is my bank account, aka the old money you made last year and this year is on my money, believe that, aka Mr. Amoshine. You water fans out there, I want to thank you first for putting me where I am today. And then I also want to thank God for all He's been doing for me lately. And then my single will be dropping out pretty soon. I'm just featuring one of the best English rapper in Nigeria. I don't want to start mentioning names right now. Thereafter, I'll drop the video, you understand? I won't disappoint my fans, trust me, you know what I'm saying? I still got some new thing coming, trust me, man. Cause I'm gonna shine when I'm gonna shine. Shine.
Ladies and gentlemen, with me in the building, Amoshine, Charles Okocha, aka Igwe Tupac. You know how it be. Amoshine, how far, my guy? Oh boy, you just they worry the full social media. Everybody now for outside, as they walk in, so everybody will say Amoshine, aka your money is my money, aka everything, aka.
The bank account is my bank account.
Correct. One more time, welcome on top of the late night show.
Thanks.
That's so. So how far? Most of us, like someone like me, I've been know you onto the acting level, you know, as the Nollywood things and all that, you know. And I know say even that time self, and the music things still they be, you know. But all of a sudden, we just wake up one day, pwah! We just say, I want shine. What's the apple? What is it? What is shining? What is Amma doing? What is it? Waiting. How I take reach there, we just wake up and they say, I want shine. I've heard that play, but now I don't serious part like that.
Well, the truth is, first thing first, let me start by introducing myself.
That's
again.
so.
I go by the name Charles Okocha, aka Jigaman, aka Tupac, aka Prince Obak, aka J-Boy, aka it is what it is, aka you know how it is, aka your money is my money, your bank account is my bank account, aka the old money Wazobia TV made last year. It's my money.
It's your money, man.
I
want shine.
Well, as it takes start, be say, man, no long thing, man. You know, I've been in the industry for some time now.
Yes.
You don't say not be today, guys. So, you know, but the music thing, I did my body since right from the time I was little. I used to mime Jay-Z's music
and everything.
All those Majek Fashek, Mama, and the rest, you know. So then it was music. It was music then, you know, before the movie thing now came. And then, you know, I was opportuned to. You know, I was given one scene, you understand, from Teco Benz's production, then Wasted Years, 2001, you understand? So,
Wasted Years?
Yeah, Wasted Years, this Late Justice series involved.
Exactly.
Yeah, so I played the scene in the supermarket then, you know, so from there, 92 takes start, you know, so thereafter, you know, as the movie thing they go, you know, they build up and all that stuff, so I suppose don't come back to, but I'll be like, okay, I look at myself, okay, later on I go, still come back to my music level. So, but what you can be saying, you know, as the thing on the go now, most of our movie people, when, you know, Nollywood, they live
enter music,
Yes.
the thing,
know,
really
to-
favor.
Exactly. Not be
so-
joke. Because we know some of them will go to things.
So me, I hear a lot. I see lots of things. I
Yes.
don't want to mention names, but
No worry.
you know,
No
so
mention.
but
When you bless you, the cast.
yeah, it just happened like that. So
Yeah.
those things come bring me down onto, man, if you just come out now, then if you just categorize and say, okay,
Say
this
the
one
same
say one
thing,
come out the
yes.
same. So the thing just bring my morale down, So I just say, music, chill.
Yeah.
So by the end of the day, so I just leave the matter like that, I concentrated on my movie career and stuff, It's been good all the way, So, but then, last year, December, I was shot, So, yeah, I was shot by a trigger-happy mobile policeman.
Really?
Wow. Yeah.
Where did he pass?
No, it's a national issue now. I be from here and I bust out here now.
Serious?
I was at the hospital for 2 months. I did hospital 2 good months.
Wow.
At the hospital, so. And then during that period when that thing happened, doctors then recommend, say, I'm not going to do anything strenuous. I got rest, all those kind of things and all that stuff. So me just chill now, and sometimes, when you know what they do as an entertainer,
Yes.
I don't know if you understand what I'm
Yes.
saying. So if you just come to see some kind of things they go on, you go be like, this thing, when this suspension, when these people give me, even when say, okay, you don't they all right, you go to be like, so make you still make ginger, maybe just come out there because, man, 6 months out of the screen, it's something. Even some people say I don't.
People they will all leave you now. They will look say, say, on to the next.
I know say Nigeria, once something happen to you, man,
Yes.
they think of the next thing way to pack, man.
Exactly.
No time.
Exactly.
So then I just did. So I'll just the respect those doctors and recommendation in the
Recommendation,
person.
all that
Yeah.
stuff,
So
yeah.
as I just did. So at some point, so you get one day when I just did, what led to that Amoshine thing.
Yes.
So
listen, I would say everybody wait for now. So how you just take reach where that thing just come there everywhere.
Man. Well, the truth is, I did one day, I was kind of bored. I just did bored for us, so I just used my phone.
Okay.
Just, record something. I just, not play. Oh.
Yes,
So as I record and I wasn't serious about it, so I just leave it for my phone. So 2 weeks later, as I just browse my phone again, to check that thing. So as I press them, I say, only me can they laugh. You understand? As the thing can't make me laugh.
You laugh.
I can say if me when run the thing fit laugh. Now you say, someone else out there go still laugh. Oh.
Exactly.
Man, let's see how it goes, man. I just playfully just threw on for Instagram, So before I know what did happen, man. The views follow up.
They don't pick up.
As I sleep, because I just upload them for night, that kind 12.
Okay.
In the morning when I wake up, everywhere don't
Everywhere don't dey.
call self start to they call, people just they come, man, what's the meaning of that thing you just did? Come on, are you okay? Are you the ones who say I smoke shake bell, the ones who say I take weed, the ones who say not where they know say I no take, man. They say they crack, I say okay, no wahala. So I just they watch everything as they go, So I just thought it wise. I said, okay, I think it's about time I unleash what I got, concerning the music aspect, because Amoshine, I didn't just say even if I was playing then, I said they play with them. But that Amoshine, when Amoshine, it meant something.
Okay.
I'll be like, man, no matter what it is, because of that gunshot, and God still pulled me out.
Yes.
So I'll be like, okay, fine, I'm more shine like that, like I'm going to shine.
Yes.
I'm going to shine when I'm going to shine, because
Exactly.
who God don't destine, if God don't destine, say, okay, your own at December.
Yes.
Now you go shine. You go shine, even if they like me, they carry AK or anything, take glass you.
Yes.
That thing when God don't sign.
He must see
So
shine.
now that thing will make me just look, I just say, I'm more shine when I'm more shine.
So-
the only thing when I just do now, everybody just look and say, nah,
See, don't they do
nah,
things?
Igbo. So I just look at, so at the end of the day, as I just look at, so as the response, just the motivation, so I just say, okay, fine, I think it's about time. So now I just
Decide to
go studio. So I did a single about it, and the video I'll be shooting the video pretty soon. You guys stay tuned. I'll let you know about it. So that's just as it is now. You understand? I said, okay, fine. it is music and it is music. I know forsake Nollywood though.
Yes, I know that one go see there now, of course, because you don't
Yes,
get her. That one said put your face for outside there.
God bless you,
Yeah.
you understand? So may they no go to think, say, man, I won't forsake them. I just want try my other aspect because, man, I'm music first.
Yes,
You understand?
because
But
some people don't understand this thing. You understand? They all feel say, you just want to jump enter on that level again.
Exactly.
They can't say
Now,
one thing,
wetin
one
they
thing.
think?
You never see them and see them where
We don't
they
go
do
come
things.
out and all
It
that.
not work for them. You say you want to go try your own.
Nah,
you
not,
know?
not to, even when I even do this one self.
Yes.
Instagram, if you see, if you follow wetin people they tweet or they talk,
No.
you go lose hope.
You feel go kill yourself.
Like those suicide thing where they talk
Oh my
about.
God,
man.
I know.
I hear them now. Now small thing. Some people even say, this one will show with it. I'm not talking this, but you know they watching film. You never ever had good film. Not the way they no talk. This one say Kwale Igbo. This one say Wari Igbo. This one say no kind of weed where they no call. So, but to God be the glory, man. Still, more than they hate, critics, you understand, if they don't criticize you for life,
Yeah,
man,
you know if you do past how you take it,
so
of course.
let them keep hating, but I know say, as in they hate, they go still turn back to love.
Last.
Shine,
what's
man.
up,
I'm
bro.
gonna shine.
Shine, man. I'm gonna
Yeah.
shine. You get one of our guys that we even do the remix of the whole team. Oh my God, you see the one we remix?
That guy, the Chris, that's the first time when I see it.
He just remix the whole team with me. I say, oh God. But really, it go shock you how some things say they trend. Something when you go to expect. You understand? You just do something bad, I think you just full outside there.
Internet,
you know?
the cocoa now, man.
That is the way, man. You understand? If you did outside there, you never see
yeah.
down to the whole level.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
have to,
sir.
you know,
Yes, sir.
catch up.
Yes, sir.
Catch up with how things say they be now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So right now, you don't enter your music piece, so you can make
Straight
some
up,
other things.
no time. Now waiting a day for now, so I won't see the end. Man.
So now hip hop things, I be
Yeah,
if you go see tomorrow, you do blues now.
no. Now hip hop, you understand? Like I said, Jay-Z, that's why my nickname now Jigga.
Okay.
People they call me Jigga everywhere.
Okay.
Now
But where Igwe Tupac come out from?
Igwe Tupac came out from a movie when I shoot. Now, when I did
Okay.
involved, you understand? Igwe Tupac,
Okay.
yeah. So, I played a son of a king.
Okay.
So when travel abroad, when they send me go school, then he can't go the crack up.
For that side.
Can't go school. I think come back, he turned the whole village upside down. So
Worry
can't
everybody.
still, at the end of the day, Papa died out of BP and all that. So he can't go sit down for the
As the
throne.
throne, okay.
Can't give his Igwe Tupac. Can't
Bah.
get in disciples when he give Ono and the rest. So that's it. It's comic. You just go watch other movie. It's dope.
Okay.
So that's it.
But basically for you now, just my hip hop things based on how.
Yeah, it's hip hop. It has been
moved
hip
on
hop.
the
Man,
come.
check out the way I dress now. So
Now hip hop things, man.
Right from time, not be today. It's been hip hop all the way, bro. It's been hip hop.
'Cause I mean, I did see many things that year, and this I will see you for some kind of videos, musical videos themselves. and
Yeah,
all
yeah,
that.
yeah, sure.
You always deal with the guys and they say, man, forget it.
now,
This is-
now for background now.
But we say, I don't this guy they asked me that. This guy, but it show, first love, not first love.
Now background things, man.
First love, not first
yes,
love.
Sir, yes, sir.
But soon your video will soon drop and people will feel the whole
Man,
level.
stay tuned. I'm not joking. This is real talk, bro. It'll drop very, very, very soon. Like
I want to be the title of the track. Amoshine.
I'm gonna shine, man.
Amoshine.
Except you know one shine.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
That's when we get the audio, Abi.
Yeah, we get time.
We get the audio.
You go shout run now, maybe.
Okay, you ain't go run. I'm gonna go
Yeah.
for break first. By the
Okay.
time we come out from the break, you can just maybe they all know, maybe they get the feel of the full level. You understand? Before we carry waka go other things. All right.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.